pre-colonial times. During pre-colonial times, we were operating in values and wisdom. We have the Chinese values, we have the Sanatan Dharma values, we have the Muslim values. We lost all that because we choose to accept the educational system that America brought into our shores, as well as the Spanish educational system. So what was lost is values and wisdom. Why? Because prior to them coming, the Spaniards and the Americans coming to our country, we were rich, filled with gold. And it took wisdom and values for the kings and queens and datus and rahas to manage trade and manage resources. And all that collapsed because we consented to colonial rule. That's what the message of the divine is. Remember, at that certain point, where concerning money and systems, where we already incorporated capitalism. We already incorporated capitalism. At that point, we lost a certain part of us, of our heritage that gives us the edge. Especially when it comes to trade and industry and resource management. So without wisdom, all of these factors that we lost, we can also gain through re-education. But we have to go back to our roots, not to recreate and copy the system of another country, but to tailor-make a system that works for the Filipino people, an educational system that works for us. Okay? So there comes the danger of having more foreign corporations, because more foreign corporations means we will have to adapt to their educational system. But if we can build our own in a manner that is under the foundation of values, Filipino values and Filipino wisdom, we can progress. And who knows, we might surpass even our colonial slave masters. Okay?